All right. So wearing your investor hat here, what is one piece of advice you would tell someone that is yet to buy their first property here in Chicago?
Understand the cost of repairs and make sure that you align yourself with, if you can't swing a hammer, make sure you've got a lot of people who can and understand when you can use them. You don't want to be caught in a position where, like I'll tell you this, I was in a position where I used very much the same GC for everything. And once they got too busy and they couldn't work with me anymore, and I got a call on Christmas Eve to go out and fix something, I had to pay a lot more to get someone else to do it, right? So find yourself a good stable of your people that are going to help you make sure that these properties are properly maintained if you're not doing it yourself.